6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of division operators present, we do have a multiplication operator present in between, but more importantly we have parentheses present too, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 6 divided by 2, that gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 9 divided by 3 times 3. Now we have two operators present here, division and a multiplication operator. And multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. So 9 divided by 3, that gives us 3. And 3 times 3, that equals 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.